Welcome to Mark Knows Office. A feature in Word 2013 I find very handy is the ability to directly edit PDFs. We're in the backstage of Word, and I'm going to click on Open. And I'm going to go to the directory where I have these files, and the one I've chosen is simply a brochure that came with my laptop. And one thing you're going to see is this pop-up box letting you know that the conversion may take some time. The time required depends on the complexity of the PDF. The one I'm using is relatively simple, so it should open quickly. And if you can see down here, it was showing that it was converting. Now it's going to automatically open into Word's reading pane. So what we'll do is go to View and Edit Document. Now something else you got to look at up here is it says that the PDF is still open and not as a document. So one thing we're going to do here is, let me move a couple things around here. I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to open up the PDF that I've already got open. And you can see that the layout didn't reflow exactly. Let me go ahead and reduce that down a little bit. As the original, as you can see the graphics, and a lot of that has to do with the sizing. So if I reduce the size of that and then move it up here, and I might have to do some how the text flows around a graphic, but see, I've got it there, and you'll notice the font is a little bit differently, and it's just simply that HP used a font that is probably just not available in Word. And then I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, here's a page with a graphic. And when I come down here, you're going to see that it didn't quite fit. Once again, it's a sizing issue. And this is not a perfect solution, but it is a whole lot better than having to go buy a full version of Acrobat to edit these things. And sometimes the text does not flow perfectly over, but that's it. And this is not just a width issue, it's also a length issue. So let me take that down a little bit, and there we go. Now we got it back up where it needs to be. And you can center this and do what you need to do with it. And you can see sometimes the words, but I can go in and the word display didn't come all the way through, but I can go through and edit this. And now what I have is a Word document. I can save this off as a Word document, or just save it off as a PDF as well. That's very, very similar to the original. So I can either save it as a PDF, or I can go off, and I've got Save As in my quick menu, and as a doc there. And I've already got it saved. I'm just going to go ahead and overwrite the existing file, and there we go. So now I have a Word document that is basically the same as my PDF. Now I can edit it, do what I need to do, and I've got it. And I can go ahead and print this off as a PDF. So I can go here, go to Adobe, and I can print it. And if you want to print it, using the internal Adobe PDF printer, you can save it off as a PDF. It's either way. This is just my habit, the way I do things. There's no right way, wrong way. That's just kind of the way I do it. And then once I'm done, it's going to take a few minutes to print off. And now that's complete. So this wasn't a very long one. I want to thank you very much for checking out this video, and I hope that this will be of some help and some assistance to you. Thank you so much.